Hi, I'm April with WTI.
Are you tired of dealing with nasty pilling on your favorite clothing item? This fabric shaver by POPCHOSE has got you covered. It can safely remove all that lint in just seconds, literally giving your item that fresh look and feel just like the day you bought it. I absolutely love that it is USB charging and the battery life is amazing. The Honeycomb Mesh over the blades is so convenient in that I can use it on any size of lint without it clogging up. The Safeguard helps me easily go over delicate materials, making sure to prevent snags or any kind of damage. I love that it came with 2 extra replacement blades and that there are 6 blades on each head. They are very easy to replace and clean, and the lint container is super easy to remove, and yet it fits on nice and secure so that I don't have to worry about it falling off while I'm using it. I love that it came with this cute little carrying case, making it great for travel. This fabric shaver does a great job, works really fast, and has helped to refresh my wardrobe.
And that's my point of view.